All right, we have an Xbox One here, and I've already taken it apart. The issue is that it will not send video to the TV, and I've tried it, multiple different cords, flipped the cord around, tried cleaning the contacts, didn't work. As you can see, it's a very dirty console, and that's okay. You know, kids, it ends up happening. But let's go ahead and see if we can't get it clean. Okay. Alright, well, it's clean. I'm going to plug everything back in, and sometimes that fixes it, so we'll give it a try.